when the rivers run red and stain the skies, when the hero fights, falls, and dies, I emerge from the mist and open my eyes. I am the crow on the crooked branch that cawed at Ulster's hound. I am the widow who stole the herd from the chieftain's sovereign ground. I am the eel that bit the heel of the warrior and the lord. I am the wolf that howls at night and chased flocks across the ford. I am the wild white heifer that leads the mad stampede. I am the fury on the warrior's face as he rides the coal-black steed. I am the dream that shakes the sleeper awake. I am the curse that bends the will to break. I am the beauty on the bed of hay. I am the hag, old, grim, and grey. I am terror. I am frenzy. I am the battle crow. I am the maiden. I am the mother. I am the plain where the barley grows. I am fate and possibility. I am decay. I am fertility. I am the harvest in the field. I am the sword. I am the shield. I am the land. I am the light. I am the world between. I am the cradle. I am the grave. I am the phantom queen. I am one. I am many. I am Trinity. I am Bav, Macha, and the Main. I am the cruel banshee. I am the harvest of this green land. I am the heart, the spirit, and the hand, the first beginning, the final stand. I am Morrigan.